Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a fire with just 3 simple things. Well, let's say you go camping and you run out of matches and lighters. You can use these 3 simple things: a battery, a foil, some cotton, and a stick if you need to. I'm using a marker, and it is advised to use a 1A battery. Let's get to it. Hope you enjoyed this simple but exciting experiment. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. And just one more thing. Please subscribe to my brother Ashvik the Muser. Peace out. Always stay curious.